Martin Luther King. I refuse to accept the cynical notion that nation after nation must spiral down a militaristic stairway into the hell of nuclear destruction. I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. And I think that too often we say words like love and truth, and we think of them as kind of weak words. And we think of the MX as strong. I see the MX rooted in fear and feelings of weakness. And I see that action in us that comes out of the deepest truth in us. And the part in us where there's no fear because we are not standing anywhere. If you try to stand in righteousness, you're going to burn up in this game. Being on the side of good against evil is not good enough for this ballgame. You are going to have found that place in you that is behind good and evil and have the guts to open to that, the place that is behind death and birth. And out of that emptiness will come action in which you are invulnerable, in which your action, which will come in the harmony of things, because there's no way, as you as a conscious being and I can see, that you can be in an incarnation without acting. And we all hear the way in which your silence and my silence is acquiescence to a system. That's as much an action as walking at Rocky Flats. We don't wait till we are free, but we make every action of this incarnation an exercise in becoming free, so that we can offer the freedom, the truth that comes from freedom, and the power that comes from freedom, and the love that comes from freedom, to the relief of all suffering of all sentient beings. That's fair enough.